At the launch event of the Redmi Turbo 5 Max, Redmi actually unveiled another product that's just as exciting, the Redmi Pad 2 Pro Harry Potter Edition. Compared with the first generation collaboration released back in 2024, Redmi has clearly taken things several steps further this time, especially when it comes to the merch. We were lucky enough to get our hands on this tablet as well, so today, let's unbox it together and see what kind of surprises it has in store for us. Before we begin, don't forget that geekwheels.com is currently selling this tablet. If you're a Harry Potter fan, make sure to check the link in the description below the video. The moment you open the lid, you're greeted by a very classic Hogwarts-style line illustration. And don't rush to throw the box away just yet, because there's a hidden detail here. On the inside of the lid, you'll find a beautifully illustrated scene depicting first-year students crossing the lake in small boats as they enter Hogwarts Castle for the very first time. If you flip this huge box over and look at the back, you'll see the words First Year Hogwarts School List printed on it. What's hidden inside is another iconic piece of Harry Potter merchandise, a Hogwarts student-style suitcase. Yes, this is a real suitcase designed specifically to store your Redmi Pad 2 Pro. Inside, there's even a dedicated compartment for the stylus. The overall build quality is excellent. The metal parts around the edges aren't just made to look like metal, they are actual metal components, which adds a lot to the sense of craftsmanship and premium feel. Naturally, there's more inside the suitcase. Let's take everything out. The first item you'll notice is a tablet case. This case has been carefully designed by Redmi as well. They've printed the cover of the Marauders map on the outside, and when you open it up, you'll find that the map artwork continues on the inside too. The entire case has been given a deliberately aged, weathered finish, which fits the theme perfectly. Honestly, this is the kind of design that should satisfy the vast majority of Harry Potter fans. Inside the case, you'll also find an additional accessory, a shoulder strap for the suitcase, allowing you to carry it like a single shoulder bag once it's attached. There's also an envelope inside the suitcase, and that's where things get even more interesting. Inside the envelope, you'll find a collection of stickers. The first sheet features the Gryffindor and Slytherin crests, finished in a shiny gold effect that looks fantastic in person. The second and third sheets include chibi-style stickers of the main characters, as well as cute, stylized versions of the 4 Hogwarts house emblems. The final item inside the envelope is the user manual, but of course, even the manual has received a fully customized Harry Potter themed design. If none of these accessories have convinced Harry Potter fans to reach for their wallets yet, then this next item almost certainly will, the stylus and its cap. Under normal circumstances, it's just a stylus cap, but once you attach it to the pen, it instantly transforms into a magic wand. Holding it in my hand, there's one line that I can't help but want to say out loud. Anyway, among everything included in the box, my favorite piece of merchandise without question is this wand. The final box contains the SIM card ejector tool, the charging adapter, and the charging cable. These 3 accessories don't feature any special customization. Now, let's take a look at the Redmi Pad 2 Pro itself. At the center of the back, you'll find the Hogwarts crest, and the tablet's body displays different shades of blue depending on the lighting. When you turn it over to the front, you'll see that Redmi has also designed a fully customized UI theme specifically for the Pad 2 Pro Harry Potter Edition. I'm confident in saying this is the best IP collaboration Redmi has ever done. That brings us to the end of unboxing. I think it's pretty clear that Redmi's designers have gone all out to make the Pad 2 Pro truly feel like a tablet from the wizarding world. And I also believe that Harry Potter fans will be more than satisfied with this collaboration. Once again, don't forget to check the link in the description below the video. This Harry Potter Edition Redmi Pad 2 Pro is waiting for you there. You can also find the Harry Potter Edition Bluetooth speaker and mechanical keyboard available for purchase as well.